Good morning, students. Hope you are all good and you are doing your classwork and homework regularly. Today we will do question number 4 of the chapter Push and the Parrot. So let's begin our question number 4. The first question is, who is hungry? You all have read the chapter, so you can also answer it. So what should be the answer? Push, the cat is hungry. I repeat, who is hungry? Answer is Push, the cat is hungry. If you write Push is hungry, that will be also correct. Both the answers are correct. Now let's come to next question. Question number B. Whom does Push want to eat? So the answer should be Push wants to eat the parrot. I repeat, whom does Push want to eat? The answer is Push wants to eat the parrot. Let's come to next question. Question number C. Where is the parrot sitting? The parrot is sitting on the tree. I repeat the question again. Where is the parrot sitting? The parrot is sitting on the tree. Our next question. Who is more clever, Push or the parrot? You have to write who is more clever. Among Push or parrot, who is more clever? So the answer is the parrot is more clever than Puss. As you all know that parrot flies away in the end. So our answer is the parrot is more clever than Push. Okay, students. So our next question E is, who said the following sentences? In exam also you have to learn one thing, that there you will get to write who said to whom, but in the worksheet you have only who said. That we will learn later on. So let's start it now. I'm going to eat you. Who said this line? You all have known. Puss said. Or else you can write Puss. Now, next sentence is, you must first wash your hands and face. Who said this sentence? Yes, the parrot said. The next sentence is, you stand here and see. Who said this? Puss said. I'm not going to wait for you to eat me up. Who said the sentence? The parrot said. As I have told you now, that in exam or in coming exam you will be given to write who said to whom. There you can write like this. Suppose if we take the first sentence, now I am going to eat you, there you have to write the same answer like this. Puss said to the parrot. Similarly, next sentence, you must first wash your hands and face. The answer will be, the parrot said to Push. You stand here and say. Here the answer will be Puss said to the parrot. And the last sentence, I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Who said to whom? The parrot said to Puss. But meanwhile, in your classwork as well as in your book, you will only write who said these sentences. No need of writing who said to whom. So only you have to write who said. Alright, students? So, shall I repeat once again? So, the first sentence is, now I am going to eat you. You will only write the name of the animal who said it. That means Puss said. You must first wash your hands and face. Who said? The parrot. You stand here and see. Who said? Puss. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Who said this line? The parrot. Okay? This is how you have to do it. You all will complete this question number 4 A, B, C, D, E in your CW and as well as in your reader book. In next class, we will continue our assignments and I will tell you later on. Thank you.